We guide you through how to connect your iPhone to Windows laptop. So, first, grab your iPhone charging cable and plug your iPhone into the Windows laptop using the USB port. Once connected, unlock your iPhone, and if a message appears saying trust this computer, tap trust and enter your passcode to allow the connection. After that, your Windows laptop will automatically recognize the iPhone as device. If you want to transfer photos or videos, open the File Explorer on your Windows laptop, click this PC, then find and open your iPhone under Devices and Drives. From there, open the DCIM folder to view and copy your photos and videos to your computer. If your laptop doesn't recognize the iPhone, make sure the cable is properly connected and try unlocking your phone again. You can also install iTunes for Windows from the Apple website to help your laptop detect the device properly. Once connected, you can easily transfer files, access photos, and manage your iPhone from your Windows laptop anytime.